This is our front yard. It's been raining so much the last week or so, the ground's just saturated that it's just got nowhere to go. I mean, we got a pump over here. Here, let me get out of the rain a little bit. Go over here to the garage. Yeah, I was working on Halloween shit, but yeah, it all runs downhill and from the neighbors and everything. As you can see, it's starting to come up into the garage a little. I would say that's probably a good 6 inches deep or better. No, not 6 inches. Probably more like a good 3 or 4, but still, it's pretty deep. I see it all running off. There's just pools in the yard. And it's like this all the way around. I mean, if you go and take a look at the back, and you can see that it's like that all the way over to the fence, so that means the backyard's flooded. So basically the whole, all the way around the house is fucking flooded right now. And this pump does an amazing job. I mean, it actually moves quite a bit of water, but yeah. There's just too much rain and it's got nowhere to go at this point. So we'll see. This is starting to be one of the worst ones since that hurricane, I forgot what it was, a couple of years ago. But that one, it actually got like far into the garage. Right now we're just kind of, you know, you can kind of see it's there coming in a little bit. So anyways, gotta love the weather, eh? Strangely enough, I'm still not gonna pitch a bitch about some rain. It'd be nice if it was a little more spaced out. Okay, here's the backyard. It's rarely this flooded in the backyard. I mean, it'll get spots. But, yeah. The backyard doesn't normally do this. Actually, I think the last time I saw it this bad was when we had that hurricane a couple years ago. I forgot which hurricane it was. I want to say it started with an H, but I don't know. Anyways. Awesome, huh? And no signs of letting up.